Astute 2020 Advanced Sustainable Manufacturing Technologies is a multi-university partnership of 5 Welsh higher education institutions, part-funded by the European Regional Development Fund through the Welsh Government. Astute 2020 is designed to stimulate growth in the manufacturing sector across Wales by applying advanced engineering technologies to manufacturing challenges, driving cutting-edge research, development and innovation.
Hi, my name's Ian Cooper. I'm a Technology Fellow at TWI. TWI is a global company. We specialise in welding and joining, non-destructive testing and other allied technologies. Our Engineering Research Materials Institute put together a project known as IntACom. The idea was to solve some of the bottlenecks that occur during manufacturing that are a result of the NDT process by developing an automated NDT system that would enable faster inspection of composite and other complex geometry curved parts. The heart of the system are 2 6-axis robots, and at the end of each robot is a phased array system that uses ultrasound to inspect the part. The challenge here is that in order to get the ultrasound from the transducer into the component, we need to use a jet of water. And the challenge of producing a cohesive laminar flow of water that enables effective transmission of the ultrasound was proving too difficult for us. We simply didn't have the skills in-house. We found that through the Astute programme we were able to access these levels of expertise and they were able to do modelling for us in order to improve the water flow through the nozzles. The support that we got from Swansea University in the modelling aspects, in the CFD aspects of the work and the simulations were invaluable. And the University of Wales Trinity Saint David have been partnering TWI for the last 15 years, and their support again was invaluable and gave us the confidence then to do the 3D printing and produce the optimised nozzles.
I was thrilled that this collaboration showed the power of 2 universities working together, sharing their complementary expertise. The partnership between Nathan Hartley from TWI, Dr. Fawzi Belbedia from Swansea University, who brought his expertise in computational fluid dynamics. Professor Peter Sharton brought his expertise from the University of Wales Trinity Saint David in non-destructive test and evaluation.
Well, there have been several benefits, and key to all of this has been really the working relationship that's been developed between TWI and 2 of Wales's top universities. The advances that we've been able to make in the nozzle design have removed significant barriers to the advancement of the IntACom programme, and consequently we've been able to generate 2 high-quality jobs directly as a result of this intervention. It's fantastic to see that our advanced division, Materials Research Institute, has been able to collaborate with Astute 2020 to deliver such a fantastic project and to merge together 2 amazing EU-funded projects.
And it really does demonstrate, I think, where industry can benefit from 2 universities working in partnership, where the whole is greater than the sum of the parts.